Welcome to TopSolid 7. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new feature of TopSolid 7.6 Cam, which is the ability for users to define custom or standard settings for the different dialogues and functions within TopSolid Cam 7. Here's how. Under the Operation tab here, you have a lovely little function called Operation Default Parameters. If I click on here, you get a list on the left of the various areas in which you can set default parameters. For example, if I go into my milling module and side milling, here we can look at the default values that are set for the side milling machining methods. For example, updated stock is turned on. With geometry information, stock to leave on the walls is 15 thousandths, the floor is 25 thousandths, so forth, so on. Well, what I want to do is I want to create my own. So here's how you do that. I'm going to click on side milling, and I'm just going to say, say new. Here I can do a slow double left click or hit F2 to rename, and I'm just going to give it my name, ClearCut Solutions. I'm also going to set that default. And by setting it default, these are the settings that are going to run from now on whenever I create side milling toolpath. So let's make some quick changes here to show you how that works. I'll go to geometry, and the stock to leave on the wall, I'm just going to double click, and I'm going to say, you know what, I want that to be 10 thousandths. I want this to be 10 thousandths. Why not? That's good there. Let's maybe find cutting conditions. Let's change our coolant mode, and by the way, you will always have descriptions down here of what to set things to. So for example, if I double click here and I want my coolant to always be flood, I'll type 1. You can see it's flood or jet. That's perfect. Let's maybe go find some other stuff like strategy. Let's go change our compensation method from corrected to shifted. I believe that's a 2. Yep, and you can see it changed to shifted. So like that, I'm going to say those are all the changes I want to make for right now. I'm going to save them. It's already set to default, so we'll validate. It asks if you want to save again, that's fine. And just to show you that those changes have been made, if I go here and I choose side milling, so there you can see my 10 thousandths, 10 thousandths, perfect. If we go into our settings tab here, we can see our compensation method is also set to shifted. So these were the changes that we wanted to make. Those changes have been made, and moving forward they will always be set to that unless you change them again.